Hi everybody, I just want to very briefly show you how to set up your canned responses on Gmail. These are very useful, very convenient, save you a huge amount of time and just increase your efficiency a lot. So this is Gmail. This is an old Gmail account I'm using, so there's nothing here. When I want to compose an email message, I just click on compose. If it opens up like this and you don't want it small, you want it large, then just go down to more options and then click default to full screen, and then that means that when you open it up it'll click to this. Alright, I'm just going to close this down. What you do is go to this little gear wheel and go to settings, then go over to the labs icon at the top here, and then you'll see the third one down. It says canned responses. At the moment it's disabled, and normally where you would see this is down here in the corner, but as you can see we don't have canned responses there right now. So I just click on enable and then I save the changes, and you can go leave there, that's fine. And then it'll go back to the Gmail. And now when we click on compose and we go down to this little box in the corner here, we can see that we have canned responses there. But at the moment it's empty, so I need to generate and make a canned response. So just leave that and then just type in what your subject matter would be on the canned response, like this is a canned response or reply, and then I can put in my message there, whatever I want my message to be. I'm just copying it just because that's the way we do it. And if you're not typing in, this is where you would copy and paste some of the templates that I have supplied already with for you. And this is where I would paste in any of the templates which I have already provided you. Then I would go back down to here. I would then go to canned response and I would save new canned response. This is a canned reply. It usually takes the first thing you put in there as its title, but you could change it to anything you like, and then click OK. Now it is saved down there. I can close this down and then that is ready to be used at any time. So for instance, I'm going to go in and compose. I'll just quickly go down and put in my canned response, and there it is. Insert canned response there, or canned reply, and there it is, ready to go. And then I will just send it off, but I will have to change the subject and I'll have to put in the email address. At any time I want to get rid of a canned response, then once again I access the whole thing from compose, and then I'll go to canned responses, and then I would delete this particular one that I want. It'll ask me, do I want to delete? And yes, I would. Or if I want to modify a canned response, then all I need to do is open it up, insert it, and then maybe I just wanted to take some stuff out and save that. I would go back then to canned response, and then I would save, and this is one I would save. Do you want to overwrite your previous one? And then save. What I suggest you do put a signature in each of these with your links and so forth, and that will then automatically go with the email that you send. Okay, so that's canned responses. Very useful, absolutely amazing to work with, and it'll save you a lot of time. Okay, thanks very much.